The boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so tired.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day in the video. Welcome back, sweetheart, sweetie. So time is currently 9 a.m. and I woke up to electricity being scheduled to maintenance. Wow. So I'll only have electricity at around about 2 o'clock from 8 to 2. Boring. So right now I'm just gonna make breakfast. Obviously I won't make anything that requires electricity. I'm just gonna have granola and yogurts and that's it. Be a very long, boring day for me, but yeah, we'll get through it. Yeah, let's make breakfast.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world end up be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another.
I'm going to add the Slender Youth collagen. I'm not sure how it's gonna taste on a granola and yogurt, especially because it's a flavored yogurt. But we'll see. It's been a minute since I've had collagen, and you know, as a nail person, as someone who is always braiding, ooh, why is it so hard? I think this helped me that time ago and I've been neglecting it. Now I want to get my nails super strong, and this is the support for it. I always edit this on my porridge back at home, but never like on a granola and things like that. But like on porridge, like umdoko, yeah, I would always add this. Kind of, what do they say? One scoop, one flat scoop. Yeah, it does not taste good at all, but it's eatable. So I'm just gonna scoop it and then mix it with my granola, with my yogurt. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's just a handful of scoop right on top of the yogurt, not in the granola. So I'm just gonna move it a bit, so that it tastes a bit less awful, if I may put it like that. Yeah, it's been a minute since I used it, so the taste is kind of like foreign right now, but
I am every day always on my head high, my just high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feel like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fly. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know.
Breakfast looks like. I know it does not look pleasing, it does not look appetizing. It's just mango and peach yogurt, granola, collagen, and bananas. That's it. It doesn't taste that bad, honestly. It's okay. I'd say it's good. I'd say it's good. It does not taste that bad at all. I'd say it's good. Hi doll, welcome back to yet another day in the video. Sign vlog. I hope you do subscribe. I hope you turn on the bell and then you get notified whenever I drop a video. Sweetie, Sana, guys, I said I'm gonna do an unboxing of what I got. Some of the things are things like wine and chocolate, hence they are not here, but see, these are the things that needs an unboxing. You get, but yeah. If you're new to this channel and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button right now, okay, because you will forget. Please click on the thumbs up and give us a love, a big huge love on the comment section. Please let us know what type of vlogs you're looking forward to and what is the one thing you took away from this vlog. And yeah, guys, this is from Kanye. I'm sure you all know who Kanye is. If you're new to this channel, I'm so sorry, but yeah, this is so cute. Wow, I love it so much. I love it so much. Oh my god, I think she knows me. She knows, if you know this, you know this is my aesthetic, because look at this. Look at my chopping board. Let me show you. This is what I got for my pots, and this is my chopping board, and this is the tray. This is just my aesthetic. What you mean? This is just me. She knows me for real. I love it so much. I'm gonna use this for my, oh no, I do have trays for my perfume collection. This is gonna be for my dining table. Yeah, for my dining table, like nzobeka a vase and a flower on my dining table, and then put some, you know, those candles that smell good, and those diffusers, and then probably somewhere, man, you know, those aesthetic J. And then we have this from Bongi. Bongi is my cousin. If you have watched the family vlog that I posted, I think, was it this year or last year? Somewhere like you will see. And she got us in like welcome home sweet home. It's written what? Home sweet home. Oh, yes, it's written home sweet home. This is for the outside part of the door, like when you come into my house. This is what you're gonna walk into. This is so cute. I love it so much because my neighbor has it. It's written friends bring. It's in friends bring wine to their friends or whatever. It's something like this, but yeah, love it down. Love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Love loads. Let me go put it outside, but let me remove this tag first. I'm still gonna put it away because I am not gonna use it while I don't have a coffee table. But once we get that, child, you're gonna be seeing it. You're gonna be seeing. Come here. To Caesar because I can't do this. My nails are too long for this. So yeah, guys. Yeah, sometimes it's scared. Damn, let's go put it outside.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left my one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. Sana, it is a cold morning. Time it is 20 past 11 and I don't have electricity since 8 o'clock. Same thing as yesterday, but I'm guessing today is the last day because I can't. I haven't eaten since I woke up. My mom just left and I am by myself. And I just got this router delivered. Yeah, because we took the one we were using in because it's registered under the system. And there it's their it's for them alone. So I'm trying to see what's the difference. Because in a logistic, it's not like the one that we bought. It has too much logistics, this one. So yeah, I am chocolates. I am so hungry and I know I can have cereal. I know I can have like the same thing I made, which is yogurt and granola, but I'm just like, I don't want to. I want something to do with tea. You understand? And that is bread.
Hello, Queen. How can I help you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I just got my rain router delivered, and I was told I need to call for you guys to activate it.
Okay, thank you. Can I have your name?
Mpo?
Okay. Did you already turn on the device?
No.
Or not yet?
No.
Okay. So for that one, ma'am, the activation process may take up to 24 hours. What you just need to do is turn it on.
Okay.
Once it's turned on, just wait. Don't turn it off because the process will go back from the start. Okay. So there are routers that can activate few minutes or few hours after plugging in the power outlet. But as what I advise you, the activation process will take up to 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
So I just need to plug it in and just leave it for 24 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
So yes, it will automatically turn on. Automatically activate. So just turn it on and then check if it's working. If it's not, then it's still on the process, and then check it later again. That's how it is.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you also for letting us know. Be safe always. Have a great day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. So, yeah. So.
Hi guys, Molweni, Sana, Sariri. Welcome and welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. If it's your first time seeing this face and the first time in this channel and you like what you see, please do subscribe. My name is Speckles Zandile and I'm a YouTuber, a content creator, and more to discover about myself. So you want to stay tuned and just see the whole journey with me. Right now, today is a Tuesday. Right now I'm going to China Mall. I want to buy laundry baskets. I want to buy some things that are shorts or like not at home, like my house, because I'm not at home right now. What else? Yeah, spend the day with me. I have a Shein haul that I need to shoot for tomorrow though. You're gonna be spending the day with me. I have an unboxing washing machine that I need to shoot. You will be there. Oh, like, yeah, but my skin is not skinning, guys. I don't know what's happening right here and right here. I'm forming pimples for whatever reason, I don't know, but this part I'm so happy with it. Like this segment of my face down, it's Tito, but it's Pogo. It's Pogo. But yeah, I hope you do like this vlog. I hope you do subscribe. I hope you stay tuned. I hope you tell your friends that there's a girl Ospagla Papu YouTube. Cause yeah, love you all so down. Yeah, let's go.
Give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down.
Is it a tree? Yes. Let me see.
Rock out your
Oh,
come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. You fake. Come on. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get. Give me when you get your. Give me when you give me when you give me when you get your. Rock out your. Come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and
Rest het als sport.
Ja.
Thank you, man.
You.
Shop,
Thank you.
Get preoccupied, all in the middle. Baby, if you lost your mind now, up and through. I need undivided time. I'm on to you, baby. I'm on to you.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to yet another video or another day in their life. So today I am unboxing my washing machine, and guys, I'm very sorry. Like, I did a whole which brand should I buy for a machine, and I went with KIC. Nobody suggested KIC, but I've seen the brand from my boyfriend's apartment, and Jay, I think it's practical for me as a first-time person who just bought a washing machine. I've never used a washing machine personally at my home or any other place. So, like, I just went with what I knew, like familiarity, you understand that? So yeah, it just arrived and I want to unbox it for TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So you have to follow me there as well, child, so you can see the whole shebang. But let's spend the day with me. My boyfriend was mounting my TV, as you guys saw, and I'm shooting a Shein campaign. You are such cheesy. The skipper. I'm shooting a Shein campaign. This is from Shein. I'll show you the track paint when I shoot for also the Shein campaign. I think it'll be posted on my TikTok, so you already know by now when this video goes live. That will be Pumile Sana, so please do check it out. Yeah, spend the day with me.
Okay. Washing machine. Period. Sana. Finally, bought the washing machine. I'm loving this washing machine. I'm loving it. I'm loving it so. I'm gonna miss it in the washing video. Oh, God, that's kind of old. It's so cute. Yes, the colors are there's something fulfilling about a plastic muzzle.
I'm so loving my washing machine, child. It is the most perfect washing machine. Need to perfect in terms of appearance, aesthetic, you know, but as soon as I use it, I'm gonna give you an update. So team, is it worthy of the price? Is it reliable? I got it from Take a Lot, and yeah, get all it black. I'm loving it. Honestly, it matches my aesthetic of the house. It's beautiful. It's dark gray or light gray, but it matches the aesthetic of the fridge. So chef's kiss. Everything on period. So yeah, and now I just wanna remove the bolts. I just want to remove the bolts, and yeah, of course I did not do this all by myself. My man is here to help me, and he's here intentionally because vele umshini was arriving today, and so indaba zama-bolts into engizibone ku-TikTok ukuthi vele umshini mawuzothi ungakhipha ama-bolts uzothi mawasha. So I don't want that kind of mess. As a first time machine user, I want things to be smooth. I don't want stress. I don't want problems. So yeah. Yes. That was too much. I'm not doing the whole thing. Bye. This is what I got from China Mall yesterday. Yeah, you were with me, Moss. Yeah. And yeah, this is a laundry basket or whatsoever. So I'm gonna unbox it with you now. And I'm gonna put my laundry here and just pretend my laundry has been here because I wanna use the machine right about now. Right about now, child. What you mean? I'm not gonna let it, you know, slide. I didn't washing machine. What you mean, dog? So yeah, this is it. And where is the top? Oh, nah, my bad. Oh, you guys ain't seeing it. My bad also. What is this? Like for real, what is this? But I suppose so you guys can see that it's very, the material is very weak here. So I'm supposed this is for putting it in here and shit. Oh, we learn every day, Bafaz. So this is my laundry rack, you guys. How cute is this? How cute. And then we balaganji. Woo! Like it's a little papa with. Mangit is always washing. It's also swangam. And then give balanji. Oh, Sana, you ate. Oh, Sana, you ate. Look at that. Look at that. And it's so big. Like it is so big. His face is like. And because I'm staying with my sister, this is so convenient. Don't wanna lie. Got this for 220. Yeah, China Mall. I think I showed you the store, so yeah, I will repeat that.
scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she do down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, what I want. Hope you do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. In the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only felt like months. Life move fast when you do what you want. I decide what I want. Hope you do what you want. You want.
Where'd you go?
Hi guys, so I'm done unboxing my fridge and doing laundry. It's looking tea doll. So now I'm making us food very quick because I need to go home. He needs to go to his place and we need to leave. Okay. So yeah, let's make food together. It doesn't want I look cute, period. If you're new to this channel and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a video. And please do show some love on the comment section. My name is Bakko Zandile, and as you can see, there's so much to unpack in this channel. Faith, lifestyle, vlogs, fashion, whatsoever you name it, I'm bringing everything inside. So you do want to stick around and find out with me. Let's back out together, sweetie.
Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Every minute on the cloud with you, like I'm rising. With you tonight and smiling. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So confused for what you. Can I tell you something of my wildest words? You have me back to show you something, give me more than I was. You have me back to won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone without you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something about this world? We've been having it days on I'll show you something, give me more than I was. We've been having it days on
Guys, I'm going home now. We are done everything that we needed to do here today. I'm going home. Sana, pimples are having fun on my face. Like, it's all fun and games, Sana, and I'm not seeing it, but I don't want to deal with that today. Dear ending, Sana, dear Ikaya. Period. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, Malini, welcome to another day in the vlog. So I last spoke to you, I don't remember when, but I went to the salon and did my hair and then got braided. Love it so much. But I'm back at my place right now and I'm here to just close the vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the ads. Please watch the ads, don't skip the ads. I need to pay my rent. I need to pay my rent. Please don't skip the ads. I love you all so much. I appreciate you all so much, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. I hope you did love this vlog, and if you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing to our channel. Both me and you, this is our channel. So yeah, see you guys soon.